All right, this 2016 Chevy Silverado. It's an All-Star Edition LT, located right here at Delaney Chevrolet. Has a lot of nice equipment. Stop in and check it out today. All right, so here is the 16 Silverado. It has the easy tailgate, does not slam down, has a Chevrolet bed liner right inside the vehicle, has the backup camera, trailering plug-ins, step-in style bumper. This one here is the double cab model, so it does have the full 4 doors on it. Has cloth seating right inside. And then kind of going right into the front here, you have cruise control, Bluetooth, backup camera, of course power windows, power locks. This one has remote start on it, has Bluetooth, OnStar, XM radio. This one is also a certified pre-owned. All right, so just to recap, this 2016 Chevy Silverado All-Star Edition LT that is a certified pre-owned is located right here at Delaney Chevrolet at 626 Water Street here in downtown Indiana. Stop in, give us a call. This truck will not be here long. It only has 22,000 miles on it. Stop in, check this one out or any other pre-owned we have here on the lot. Thank you and have a great day.